Hi, this is Carly from Kiewit HR, and I'm here with Lucas to talk about the role of data engineer at Kiewit. Hey, Lucas.
Hi, Carly.
So, can you tell me about the business intelligence team?
Of course. So the data engineer position that we have is basically the first step that we need to kickstart a new BI department. So it's a bit hard to talk about a team within itself. To give more context to the role, we've been growing a lot and our need for data insight is growing. So we basically need someone that can help us manage all this data from our commercial operations to be used into future reportings. This position has been thought to be part of the technology team, where good candidates will collaborate with the skilled and talented developers that we have that are working on our product. But that being said, you will also be collaborating on a daily basis with our commercial units, such as marketing, business development, sales, and customer success, to imagine and create the tools they need to analyze their data. That's why we're looking for someone that has both the technical experience, but also that can understand the business needs behind it.
Great. And what would make somebody applying for this job stand out?
We are looking for someone that has experience and the skills to guide us in developing and implement some more processes around the data coming from the commercial operations. So a candidate that would have experience in developing BI intelligence tool for a SaaS company in the B2B realm would really be great. We're looking for someone that can have a good overview of what is needed to start a BI department and lead especially the technological aspects. In the job description, we mentioned that we want someone that can help us select and implement the right tools and technology for our data, taking into account what we currently use and the future needs that we will have. We know that there's plenty of ways to build a data model, but we want someone that will know the pros and cons of the different options and that can guide us through which option is the best for us. The challenges that we're facing are quite common, I think, and someone that has some track record on how they did that in previous experience would really stand out.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So I want you to imagine that's a year from now and you're really happy with the candidate that you chose. How are you going to measure their success?
Right, so we know that this project can have a big scope, so we have high expectations, but we are also realistic. After a year, we definitely would like to have a candidate that has helped us to build a resilient and scalable data model that can handle most of the data that is coming from our commercial departments, and that will basically be the backbone of our reporting tools, and that we'll be able to plug in some visualization tool to guide our stakeholders to make better decisions. Even though Kiewit now has more than a decade of experience, we're still embracing the lean startup method, where we prefer to build, measure, learn, rather than following a larger top-to-bottom plan. This is a methodology that we still use, so we hope that our future data engineer will like the learning process. Finally, I think it is key for the candidates to be able to prioritize between the different tasks. We know that there will be a lot going on, so we're looking for someone that can thrive on having multiple projects at the same time.
So for my last question, what do you like most about working at Kiewit?
What I like the most about Kiewit is the trust in every employee to try new ideas. Not everything we initiate will be successful, and we know that, but at least we have the possibility to try and learn from our experience. There is space for making mistakes as long as we know why they happen, how we can prevent it from happening the next time. I think this will be very important, especially for this role where things that we build might break or we might have to change the tool that we've been using. It's a learning process, and we're all aware of this. We also have a diverse company culture where we're looking for someone that will embrace and contribute to it. Part of what makes Kiewit is a mix of nationalities. We have around 40 different nationalities at the moment, and this helps create a diverse group of skilled individuals.
Yeah, I love that about Kiewit too, and I really appreciate your time and telling me more about the data engineer position. I hope that we find somebody great to help bring this vision to life. Because at Kiewit, of course, we're always seeking ways to help people do what they're naturally best at. So if you think that this is a job where you can learn, grow, and build, apply today. Thanks again, Lucas.
Thank you, and looking forward to reading through applications.